If you get an error like the one shown in this screen, unable to load videos, an error occurred while loading a higher quality version of the video while playing a video on iPhone, then let us see how to fix the issue. The first thing that you will do is you will go to settings here, and if you have the option to accept iCloud terms and conditions, you have to accept the terms and condition. The second thing after this one is go to photos and videos and select the video that is not playing. Tap and hold the video, go to share and select this options button, and under format either select current or most compatible and then done. After that, select this option add to album and then select any album where you want to add that video. After that, scroll down and go to the album where you have saved the video and try to play the video if it plays or not. Similarly, the other thing that you can do is again go to photos and then again go to this videos, select the video that is not playing, tap and hold the video that is not playing and select duplicate. So once you have created a duplicate copy of the video, try to play the duplicate videos. Now the last thing that you can do is go to settings here, go to general, go to software update and check if you have an update available. So for me, I have 18.5 version of iOS software which is left for updating. So what I will do is I will select update now and update the iPhone. So once you do all of these things, you should be able to play the video. Thank you for watching the video. Please comment in the box below which method helped to solve the issue.